Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today is a very special day for me because it's my birthday. It's my birthday, you guys, and so today I am actually in LA. I'm not in LA. I'm in Las Vegas. I drove from LA to Vegas last night, you guys, and I'm about to get this party started. I wanted to hop on here, you guys, real quick though, because I wanted to show you guys my face routine and the products that I use on my face to kind of clear up some of the darker circles and some of the spots that have been on my face. So I want to do a video, but let me show you guys the hotel room that we are in right about now, because it's somewhat cute. It's somewhat cute. So let me just kind of give you guys an overlook of everything.
Okay, you guys, so we arrived late last night. It was like around 5:30. We drove so long. But this is the hotel room, and it kind of looks a mess, but I'm going to definitely pick it up soon. But yeah, this is the hotel room, and we have like a little sink and everything. Refrigerator. These mirrors are so fab, you guys. There's like a microwave and stuff in there. Yeah, it's so modern. It's really cute, very modern. That's the bathroom. This is the bedroom. Again, you guys, we kind of are like all over the place at this point. And I really wish we had like a good view of everything. This is like the little vanity closet they have here. Little TV. I have a cute little vanity so I can do my makeup and everything for you guys. I'm gonna sit here. And I wish it was like really, you guys. It is so gorgeous out here. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I wish we had a better view though, you guys. Like, but you guys can kind of get an idea and see everything. It's fabulous. It's gonna be in the 70s today, so I am like so super excited. It's not summertime, but it's really warm, and so I'm gonna get dolled up for you guys, and I'm gonna continue to vlog for the day, and you guys see other videos from my trip. It's gonna be part 1, part 2, part 3. However long. This is like a 4 or 5 day weekend, so you guys stay tuned. But let's go ahead and get into this face routine.
Alright, you guys, so I have my birthday tiara on. As you guys know, I told you that I will be wearing this tiara every single day because it is my birthday weekend. So you guys, I wanted to just do a quick little video for you guys to kind of show you my face regimen, you know, my routine that I use on my face, the products that I use on my face to kind of help, you know, maintain some of the spots and the dark circles. So we're gonna get into it. Okay, you guys, so pretty much I have this Palmer Skin Success. It's for dark circles, you guys. I am trying to get this lightning to, okay. This is what it is, you guys. And so pretty much it helps like fade any dark circles, any dark spots on your face. And there's actually a white bar of soap that comes along with it that I've been using for my under eye, you guys. And I've been seeing a difference. I haven't been putting it on twice a day as I should, but if you use it twice daily, it'll help remove a lot of the dark circles, which it has. And I'm actually going to post a video up here where I had really bad dark circles, and I've been using this, and it has cleared them tremendously. So this is a great product from Walmart that I purchased, you guys, and I would highly suggest getting it if you do have a little bit of dark spots, dark circles. I'm going to take that soap right now, and I'm just going to like cleanse my face off first because I have really oily skin, and I'm always looking, and I always have to, it just has to be clean, you guys. It has to be clean. So yeah, we're going to just clean the skin, clean my face off really quick first. Alright, so once I wash my face with that bar of soap, I'm actually going to go in with the face mask because I have been wearing makeup, you know, a little bit more often this week. I want to make sure that any bumps or anything comes back onto my face, and they just make sure that my skin is very cleansed. I do see a pimple here, and when I put this on my face, it's gonna kind of help that kind of go away and just kind of get rid of like more of the darker circles underneath my eyes. It's more of a skin balancing mask, you guys, so if you're using it often, you will definitely see a difference within your face and the clearness of your face if you are using it often. So we're going to put that on right now, you guys. I'm going to hop in the shower, hop out, and then I'll finish up my routine for today. guys, so once I have my mask off my face, I let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then I wash it off. I wash it off in the shower, and then I go on to my next step for cleansing my face. So I use Clearasil. These are just wipes for like any pimples or anything that come up, and it'll help out with any spots, you guys. I use it because it honestly helps with any of the pimples that come up. Like right now, I have one right now, so it'll just dry it right on up instead of it forming into an actual pimple and then it leaving more spots on my face, you guys. So I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna wipe my face off. And it gets off any dirt too off of your face. If you have any excess dirt, especially if you have like skin, it'll help out with that as well, you guys. So I want to tell you guys, if you guys wear makeup on a regular basis and you need something to cleanse your face or clean your face before you actually use any products or anything on your face, I would highly recommend using the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. It will help remove everything off of your face. I mean, 2 wipes and you're good. As well as like if you wear lashes and you sometimes will have the glue in your lashes, it'll help cleanse out and get that out of your face. I cannot talk today. Maybe because I'm just so tired. I'm just so tired. I'm just like, use these for your face. It'll help cleanse your face off before you wash your face with whatever soap or whatever products you use to cleanse your face. It'll help get off any like makeup and the residue, especially in between the lashes and where we would have it, especially for doing lashes. So you guys, I would highly recommend using this and purchasing these.
Don't have them and you're not using them. I would highly recommend you guys going and getting some of these Neutrogena wipes. They are amazing.
Alright, you guys. So my last and final step before I start doing my makeup is I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this fading cream onto my face. Like I told you guys, I got this from Walmart. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is horrible. I got it from Walmart, you guys, and it has really worked tremendously. Like I said, I'm going to post a picture up here to show you guys, again, like my under eyes, the dark circles that I had. It was horrible. And I looked at one of my videos prior, and I'm like, oh my gosh, my skin looks so bad. So this has helped me tremendously, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to put some underneath my eyes. And again, you use this twice a day. So but when I do my makeup later on today, again, you guys, when I cleanse it and redo it, I'm going to apply it again one more time because you should be using it twice a day to see the most results in the face. And I'm honestly going to use this to rub it in. And actually, you guys, I got this one for oily skin, so it won't leave my face really oily at all. It's almost like a matte cream. It's really thick. And you guys, that is it for today. Alright, you guys, so that is my face routine for today and my daily routine. If you guys have any questions or if you want to drop down below in the comments your face routine, or if you have oily skin like mine and use the specific products for your oily skin, drop it down below in the comments below, you guys. I will make sure to check it out and actually use and review the products myself because I'm always looking for something for oily skin or to clear up any spots or any under eye, So yeah, you guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 you guys. I welcome you to my channel. If you like what you see, make sure you click that subscribe button on the side and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. And you guys, don't forget to give me likes. I need some likes going on, you guys. I mean, what's going on, you guys? So make sure you guys go ahead and like my channel. You guys like this video, you guys. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.